Welcome. This is an introduction to patchwork and quilting rotary cutting. Previously you may have cut pieces out using scissors, but for patchwork and quilting we use a rotary cutter because it's much cleaner, quicker and easier. So honestly, at the end of this presentation, the rotary cutter is going to become your absolute best friend. So I'm going to just walk you through all the different elements. So I'm going to start off talking about the cutters themselves. So I've got 4 cutters here, various different sizes and various different styles. This one's from Omni Grip. It's in yellow, which I must admit I quite like. I find that it stands out quite well on the fabric. And this is really useful for small pieces and for half square triangles, which we'll get to later.